Jesus bless. I'm going to unbox my Cricut. Because guess what? Let's pause this. I'm trying to print a design and it's not connecting to my Joy. And it does that sometimes. It takes a while to connect. However, even when it popped up, it just wasn't connecting. So, I'm about to pull up. Hopefully the materials that I have, like it's not connecting to my Joy. The materials that I have will like go with this one. This is not the one I had first. I used to have the Cricut 3. Which one is this? 4. I used to have 3 and it's really nice. I left the ashtray up there, chill. So I ended up getting the 4 and I picked it up either at Target or Best Buy. Let me show you the box that it came in. I think I got it from Best Buy actually, and I was like, they sell Cricut in Best Buy. I just did my toes off, but I'm like, they sell Cricut in Best Buy. Actually, I got this Cricut from Target, and they sell them in Best Buy as well. Because that's right. Alright, so let's cut her open. I'm so excited actually. It's sitting here. The 3 is in storage. So that's why I got the Joy. I had the heat press as well. I ended up getting a smaller one when I got the Joy. So the smaller one, the heat press is good for like hats, shirts, bags, stuff like that. Alright, so they're kind of showing you what you can use the Cricut to design. So bottles, I've used it to design bottles. I use it to design these shirts, purses, all sorts of random stuff. So the setup manual is in here. Ooh. And then let's put this back in here. It's so pretty, guys. It's rose gold. Hold on. Can you see? Oh my gosh. It's like when you get a new Mac or a new Apple. Super cute. I'm gonna need both hands to take this out. I'm not even going to try to play myself. A cutting board comes in here as well. I don't want to destroy it. Why am I doing this? Crystal, why are you doing this? Can I see it out? Yes. So there's a cutting mat that comes with it. This is helpful to put whether it's vinyl or whatever material on top for like you put that on top for protection. This is a light grip. They come in different gauges. I have a whole bunch of Cricut like tools, like the what do you call it again? When you like to remove the stuff from the paper. I don't remember what it's called right now, but maybe I'll go and get the tools and show you, and we can finish unboxing this. Jesus first, love always. Jesus bless, we're back. Mannequin is here. Okay, so I just decided to show you some of the Cricut stuff that I have. So I have one of the heat presses. I have not used this one as yet, literally. I have caps, so I'm gonna see, maybe I could do a little design and I put it the wrong way. Do a little design and then put it on the cap. So I like this stand that it comes on. You can release the heat from here. It's like a mini ironing board, isn't it? A mini iron, sorry. Isn't it super cute? So yeah, I have that. These are some of the designs that I've done so far. Like there's all sorts of different colors. If you see my Stanley with a cross on it, that's where I got it from. Oh, I can actually use these. I like to cut out the shape and put it even if I took the sticker off already, I still like to. I kind of like this by itself though. I don't know if I want to even interfere with it. I don't think I'm going to. And it's funny because I was looking for the red to do my design, and then I opted for black because the black is there untouched. So nice to remember. I mean, I have that shirt with it anyways. So in this bag I have like some of the markers. You can use them on fabric. I use it to sign my clothes before. It comes with a cute little stand. Just like stick the marker in there. Super cute. And then I'll probably show you what's in this pouch afterwards. I got the pouch from Target, and then I used the gold, and then I put the blessed on the pouch. It's not the smoothest. It was, I think, and then after a while it just got messed up. Sometimes it depends on the material that you put the vinyl on. It might not stick. So all right, this I'll show you guys. This is an example of the material, like the vinyl or whatever that will come with it. This is a permanent, and then this is what you would stick on the stuff. Okay, so this one has a heart on it. That would be nice. I could probably try to use this heart. Okay. Ooh, they're heavy. It's like a whole machine. That's how it goes. And I have to take it out. I'm trying to use it like right now. So, alrighty. And then it has the cords in the bottom. You can use. This is so gorgeous. OMGZ. Look at that. And then it comes with a little spot that you can put some of those weeding tool. That's the name of it. When you take out, like if you have the design and you want to pick it out without really like trying to peel off the sticker, you have tools. They have like transfer mats and stuff you can use as well. So yeah, I'm going to finish opening this, setting it up, and then seeing if I can print the design. I might record that. I just kind of wanted to do an unboxing. So what will happen is maybe I'll record that separately. Ooh, I don't know if I'm even gonna post it, to be honest. That's what I was doing with the joy. I was like, anyways. So should I? I'm going to leave this in the plastic because I want to show you guys what's in the pouch, and then work on that later because that's a whole thing, child. So in here I have, oops, sorry gimbal, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. All right, so I'm sorry, love. It's so sensitive now because my finger is touching the, okay. I have tape here. This helps when you're transferring stuff to keep it in place so it's not like flying all over the place. Scissors, super duper cute. You can use regular scissors. It's just nice to use the tools that come with the machine, right? This is where this pen is. I've been looking for this pen. I bought this at Target. It's a scented pen. So it has like aromatherapy in it while you write. Different fragrances. They have focus, joy. And then it comes with a little airplane case for pressure and stuff. Super cute. Alright, so this is kind of like one of the, this is actually my favorite. This is from like decorations. I got this at Target as well. Anyways, this is a weeding tool. This is actually one of my favorite ones. Because I use the side to kind of try to lift the design without bending it too much, and then you have these sharp little points that you can take and pick it up, kind of like with tweezers. Another marker, one of these spatula tools that kind of help with that as well. So yeah, there's an assortment of stuff I have in this little bag. This helps you to press the design in so it's nice and smooth when you lay it down. And yeah, so I'm gonna finish trying to set this machine up so I can print the stuff. I got the shirts already. I got them from the bodega, literally. You can get plain shirts from Michael's, Target's, the dollar store, wherever. It doesn't have to be a plain shirt. But yeah. So, and I have my divine locks on this. Super cute. Thank you, Jesus. Blessed only because of Jesus. All right, anyways, guys, I think that's it for now. Later, Jesus first, love always. Should I do it on the hearts? Always. Baby, I see station seeking. Am I dreaming? I almost called your name. I looked away. Feels like I'm losing it. Boy, I try to catch myself, but I'm out of you and I can't let it go. Oh, 'cause everything I see is true. This is recording this whole time, that's well. Listening to Beyonce, okay? Baby, I swear, station. Usual. Already know. We're gonna hopefully finish setting up this Cricut flow. Nice. I took the plastic off. These are the cords. Baby, I can't go anywhere. We don't reshare, say it. Hold on. Baby, I can't go anywhere without thinking that you're there. Feels like everywhere it's true. I'm gonna be having deja vu. Cause in my mind I want you here. Next minute I don't care. Having deja vu. Boy, I try to catch myself, but I'm out of control. The sexiness is so appealing, I can't let it go. Ooh. Claude being. So now, deja vu. So let's set this out. What's nice about this is you can put like engraving tools. I have the engraving tool in storage. Deja vu. 'Cause everything I see is true. Her black dress in this video is so cute. Deja. And then she has on a red dress in, oh my gosh, what's the video, bro? The dress is so pretty. Bop, bop. I don't think it's Baby Boy. Girl. So this part is gonna go this side. This is gonna go into the power socket. Baby, I can't go anywhere. I read that. What's it? Anyway, is it? It's not ego. Maybe I'm bugging. Alright, this part is gonna go into the machine. They have a port here. Certified quality. Okay, Sean. This is so cute with the, oh my gosh, look at the lining, the gold. Super, super cute, bro. That's yeah. Alright, let's get the manual. Baby boy, stay on my mind. I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. Baby boy, now that day goes by. Bye, 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 bye. Oh, my baby's fly, baby. Yes, no, hurt me so good, baby. And this, I got this from King of Glory bookstore. Let me breathe. Stay out of my fantasy. Really getting tell me all about. Ooh, we got goodies. So I have another marker here. Here is a pamphlet. When I think for around the ship, my slide cutting materials, because you can make like greeting cards and stuff. So they're probably giving you sample paper for that. Because when I got the first Cricut, they gave you sample materials and a little bag, and then you could put the Cricut design on the bag, and like, so I have if I can find a video, I might post it. Transfer tape. Close in the dark corner of a basement party. Every time I close my eyes, it's like everyone left but you and me. And our own little life, the music is the sun. Alright, so I'm gonna go into the app and see if I can connect to the device. Cricut access. Alright, so I tap that and I'm gonna add new device. I see you in my dreams. Set up cutting machine. Yeah, so the different ones I have. So I choose the 4. Yeah. Ooh. To print, I can't really have it like this on the chair because the back needs to be free to put the material. Let's see if I you together is I wrap that girl. If I just turn it, it should be fine. Usually you'd want it on like a table where it's like flat and stable. Okay, honey? Try around it on in a your drop top, girl. So pretty. Miss Vidina, Miss Vidina. Alright. I'm gonna power on. So power button is right here. So now it's asking to select an accessory. Bomba clots, things are gone. And you can put the markers in there too. Is it this video? Is not which? Anaya. I know you fighting. I'm not gonna fight it. I'm not fighting this right now. I wonder if I could try plugging in the Joy again and seeing if it's gonna finally connect. Cause is it the Wi-Fi? What's going on, guys? Let's off for this, yeah? Love you. Jesus first, love always.